How to add a link to text in GoDaddy. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is to add a link in a text on your GoDaddy website and also how we can do that. So basically we're going to head over GoDaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to select the website. And after that, we're going to edit the website and wait for the website editor to load up just like that. Now, what we're going to do basically is to head over the text that we want to add the link to and make sure that the text or the type of the text is not going to be a header, but a paragraph instead. So as you can see, this is going to be a header. And the header, if I am going to select a part of it, it is not going to be linked. So you're going to have a specific, let's say here, parameters for the header. But if I am going to have, for example, a paragraph text just like that, I can go ahead and select a part of a text and we can go ahead and have it in here. So I can go ahead and select the part of the text and you're going to see on the text editor that we have the linked chain light up with the light color. If I'm going to deselect, it is going to be gray. So it didn't or it will not work. But if I click or select the text and highlight it, it is going to give us the hint. We're going to click on link. We can link to, for example, a page, an internal page into your website, external page or a website URL, phone number, or an email. And depending on the choice that you have made onto a link to section, you're going to have the subsection of the link. For example, if you're going to select a page, also if you're going to have here a section or a specific section for a page. Let's say that I'm going to have here a external URL, and this is going to be the most cases that you're going to use or the major cases. In other cases, you're going to link to another anchor or something like that. Let's say that I'm going to share a design from Canva. So I'm going to have the design and let's say get the link. Let us get the link. Click on share and we're going to click on public view link. For example, like that. Create public view link, copy the link, paste it in here instead of the empty space. Click OK, boom, click on done in here. So as you can see, the treatment or this specific text has been linked and it is underlined. And the underlined text means mostly of the cases that they are going to be the specific linked text. So that was for the first method. Now the second method is going to be implementing a link into a specific section. How we can do that? If you're going to add a section and this section is going to be for social media, you can have here, for example, social. We are going to have social links, for example, and here we have the social link. You can go ahead and add the social media links and we are going to find it in here. Now, if I am going to click on the section, you're going to see the parameters that we can find. As you can see, let's say that we have here this Facebook page. I'm going to copy the title or the URL for it, and I'm going to find here, as you can see, as much as favicons or icons that I can go ahead and implement the, not text, but basically the links for the social media. Let's say that we have Facebook. So we're going to find Facebook, paste in here the URL, and you're going to find the Facebook, let's say logo, and it is going to be clickable. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.